For those of you that have made gingerbread houses over Christmas and you're wondering what to do with your gingerbread house, one solution is to smash it into a million pieces and see what happens, and especially in slow motion. So for today I have two gingerbread houses that you can see right here, and I have two implements that we're going to use. One is a sledgehammer. It's probably about a 10-pound sledgehammer that's going to go through the roof of one house, and the other is a looks like about a 40 or 50-pound bag of concrete that we're going to drop directly on top of one house and see what happens. So we'll shoot this in 120 frames a second, slow it right down into slow motion, and see what happens. So hold on and let's see what it looks like. Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.